If you want to make an image look high quality in Photopea, especially when you need sharper details without making the photo look noisy or over-processed, this technique is one of the best methods you can use. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use High Pass Sharpening in Photopea to bring out clean detail, improve texture, and make your image look more polished in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick for portraits, product photos, thumbnails, and any image that needs a professional finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Photopea. Once your image is loaded, you want to duplicate the layer so you always keep the original safe. To do that, select your image layer and press Command and J on a Mac, or Control and J on Windows. You'll now have a copy of the image on top of the original, and that top layer is the one we'll use for sharpening. This is important because it gives you full control and lets you adjust or remove the effect later if needed. With the top layer selected, go to the menu at the top of the screen, click Filter, then choose Other, and then click High Pass. A small high pass window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. Now adjust the radius slider slowly. A good starting point is between 1.0 and 3.0 pixels, but the best setting depends on the size and detail level of your image. As you move the slider, you should start seeing gray outlines around the edges and important details in the photo. That gray edge preview is exactly what you want. If the radius is too low, the effect may be too subtle. If it's too high, the image can start looking harsh and unnatural. So take your time and find the balance that makes the details stand out without overdoing it. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the filter. At first, your image will probably look grey and strange, and that's completely normal. The next step is what turns this into a sharpening effect. Go to the Layers panel and change the blend mode of the top layer from normal to overlay. If you want a stronger effect, you can also try hard light, which gives a more intense sharpened look. Overlay is usually the safer choice, while hard light is better when you want the image to really pop. After changing the blend mode, zoom in and inspect your image carefully. You should now see cleaner edges, stronger detail, and a more high quality appearance overall. If the sharpening feels too aggressive, don't worry, just lower the opacity of the top layer. A range of about 50% to 70% usually works really well, but you can adjust it to match your image. Lower opacity makes the effect more natural and prevents the photo from looking overly crisp or artificial. This is one of the biggest advantages of the high pass method in Photopea because it gives you control instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all sharpen. If you're editing portraits, this method is especially useful because you can sharpen the eyes, hair, and facial details without making the whole image look grainy. If you're working on product photos or thumbnails, it helps text, edges, and subject details stand out more clearly. The key is to apply just enough sharpening to improve clarity while keeping the image realistic. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing or export the final image with the sharper, cleaner look. So to quickly recap, duplicate the image layer, apply filter, other high pass, set the radius between 1 and 3 pixels, change the blend mode to overlay or hard light, and reduce opacity if needed. That's how you make an image look high quality in Photopea using a pro-level sharpening technique. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and I'll see you in the next video.